If you are new to affiliate marketing and looking to make some easy bucks, then stick around because I'm going to lay out 4 general rules that you should look after while choosing your first affiliate program. Hi guys, my name is Ishaan and in this video I'm going to tell you how to choose the right affiliate programs to earn high profit. So watch these things to find out your perfect affiliate program. First thing first, look for the commission rate. I mean, most of us lean towards affiliate marketing just to make some extra income, right? So surely you would want to a program that would pay a good amount of commission, even better if it's recurring, right? And the average commission rate for the various affiliate program can be range from 5 to 60%. This is a particular range for every niche. In some niches you will find less, in some niches you will find more. So it's better if you do some market research before signing up for a particular program in your niche. And an easy way to do it to go straight to Google and search affiliate program plus add your niche. So if your niche is health, then affiliate program in health niche, okay, and browse through the offer that comes up, okay, and then make a list of these programs and compare them to further shortlist. This way you can actually compare the offered commission rate for different programs to see which one is suitable for you, and also you can actually compare the programs you listed according to the products. Okay, I hope this is clear so far. And the next thing is you need to see in an affiliate program is a cookie lifetime. Okay, and this is really important. You might already know that every website uses cookies to help website owner know about their visitors behavior, and in affiliate marketing these cookies have an expiration date. It means if a visitor clicks through your affiliate link and purchases a product in the given cookie life, you will get your commission. But once that time is over, game is over. No more profits for you. And the minimum cookies life is 30 days these days. That means if your affiliate program have a cookie duration of 30 days and if a visitor didn't buy anything within the 30 days of clicking your affiliate link, you won't get any commission even if they buy on the 31st day. Okay, so it's better to check the cookie life before joining any affiliate programs. In my suggestion, 120 to 180 days sufficient, and it's a sign of a good profitable affiliate program. Okay, so now moving on to the next thing that you should check while choosing an affiliate program is the terms and condition of your program. Okay, so I mean terms and condition is like what they have in their conditions. Okay, like are they actually hiding something? So you need to be aware of that. Today almost every brand, big or small, has set up its own affiliate program. Okay, so you should double check the terms and conditions of the affiliate program that you want to join, and a good and a reputed brand will always disclose all the terms and conditions on its affiliate program page and be transparent about all their rules. So this is really important. Now, the fourth thing that you should pay attention to while selecting an affiliate program is, does it have a highly saturated niche? Because if it does, you should have a lot of competition in whatever channel you are using to promote your affiliate offer. And more competition means fewer clicks and conversions for you. So you should check your niche before you step in as an affiliate, alright? So these were some important things to help you in choosing a right affiliate program for any industry or for any niche. And lastly, if you are looking to have a sustainable online income and wants to earn $3,000 to $5,000 per month from your couch, from your home, you can join my latest video training and learn how to set up your own 5-figure business with a minimal investment and zero technical skill. Just click the link in the description box, join my $97 worth of training for free. Okay, so also don't forget to tell me that what you think of this video, and if you have any question regarding my course, just comment down and I will reply you as soon as possible. Also, you can join my Facebook VIP group. I would love to connect with you virtually, and there are many more people over there who would actually help you in your journey to success. And I will come back to soon with more valuable videos like this. Okay, until then, cheers, bye bye.